In today's class, we will discuss about conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that join words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Here are some examples. He can speak English or French frequently. In this sentence, or is working as a conjunction. Second one, he bought a school bag and a red cap. Here, and. He is very poor, yet he is honest. I don't know what he does here. Joining the main clause and the subordinate clause. While he was studying, his mother was cooking food. Joining two clauses. Now, kinds of conjunction. There are two kinds. First one, coordinating, and second one, subordinating. Coordinators. These are mainly used for joining words, phrases, or sentences. In this, we have some examples with sentences. He and his friends have come. He became angry but didn't speak anything. You can meet him today or tomorrow. He is very disciplined, yet nobody notices him. You didn't write nor phone me. You aren't studying well, so or therefore you might fail the exam. In these examples, and, but, or, yet, nor, so, etc. are known as coordinators, and these are single word coordinators. Now, second one, either or, neither nor, not only but also, both, and they are known as correlative. Here are some examples. Either you or your friend is responsible for this. He works not only in the day but also at night. Neither he wrote nor phoned me. He can both cut firewood and cook food. Functions of coordinators. They simply join two or more statements. Such coordinators are called cumulative coordinators. Here are some examples. I was not feeling well, so he gave me some medicine. He can speak English as well as French. Now, adversative coordinators. These examples are but, yet, while, etc. They are used to show contrast between two statements. Examples: my friend was cooking while I was studying. He wanted to go, but he was very busy. Now, alternative coordinators. Otherwise, or, else, either, or, neither, nor, etc. Do hard labor, otherwise you will fail the exam. Now, elative conjunctions. They show reason or resultant. In this, we mention for, so, because. He was fined for he was biking without a helmet. I couldn't go to school because it was raining. Now, subordinate conjunctions or subordinators. The conjunctions which are used to make subordinate clauses and depend upon any main clause to give their clear meaning are called subordinators. In this, we have so many examples: although, though, where, that, what, because, before, after, unless, which, whom, how, while, etc. Here are some examples. Although he is very poor, he is honest. This is the place where I meet my friend daily. Unless you work hard, you won't succeed. These subordinators are classified into three parts. First one, single word. In this, after, although, though, once, as, because, before, until, when, where, if, whether, why, etc. The patient had died before the doctor came. I wondered whether he would return safely. Second one. This one is compound. Even if, even though, in order that, provided that, rather than, so that, etc. Example, I will continue to like him even if he hates me. Now, third one, correlative, such that, so that. For that, one example, he is so intelligent that he can answer all the questions. So, dear students, for today, the chapter conjunction is over. The rest will be taught in the next class.